Today we've come to somewhere incredibly beautiful. As you can see, there's a Japanese garden behind us, but let me show you where Clinton and I have come to today. We're here in Kidderminster at Amada's HQ. Can we show them around?
I think we should. So let's start by, why are we here, Linz?
Yeah.
Why have we come here?
Well, we're covering some of their open houses this year, and this is all new technology to us. Of course, we know a little bit about this sector, but this is where we're going to learn a lot more, and you're going to see a lot more about their machines on our channels.
So we've spent the morning here learning about Amada, the family, the company, the history. Been around since the 40s.
Yeah.
So coming off of their 80th anniversary this year, as it happens.
Yeah, it is.
Been in the UK for more than 50 years. The company was founded in the 40s by a guy who wanted to take, I think this was a lathe, and refurbish it and then resell it. And from there, this company was formed. They specialise in the production of bandsaws. And then from there, they've grown into laser cutting machines, punching machines, press brake bending machines, you name it.
And now automating all of those. They've gone up and they've gone up. They're listening to the marketplace. We understand what's going on with skilled people nowadays, and they're listening and they're doing something about it. We're going to take you inside in just a moment, but first, can I just show you this? Because this whole facility that was built in 2014, they wanted to source as much materials locally, and also what they wanted to do is use as much of their the products that their customers produce within the building. So, for example, what we're standing underneath, I don't know if I can show you, this was produced from some of their customers, but also, this is quite interesting, this here sits at 15 degrees, and we believe that is the politest angle for a Japanese bow.
Yeah.
That's cool, isn't it? I love that.
So
it's like a nod to the heritage.
The attention to detail in this place is fantastic. The building is stunning. The team are so friendly.
Flip this over. Let's go that way. That might be a bit easier.
The products that they produce here, you're going to see more of it, especially if you come to the open house. It's really, really impressive. I mean, in this reception, it feels more like a museum than it does a manufacturing reception space.
Let me just look at this. And the products as well, you can see, again, another nod, not going to make you too dizzy, but just behind us here on the floor is the Amada. Now, a lot of the Amada signs that they'll have in all of their facilities across the world will be fabricated, but here, because it's in the Black Country, they cast that as well. So it's a very, very heavy Amada sign.
Yeah. So, I mean, as I say, the building is stunning. This is one of 10 tech centres that the guys have got in Europe. And every one of those tech centres has a royal room, which we went into earlier on.
Oh, it's amazing.
So this looks like you're stepping into a little taste of Japan. Yeah, you've got Japanese furniture, Japanese artwork, and it's a VIP room where, as the name suggests, really important clients go to have important meetings. And we were lucky enough to be invited to go in there, go into the VIP restaurant room as well. Yeah. This place is just beautiful.
Just the way, and just the ethos, everything about this company, that what they talk about, you sense that you know it's from Japan.
Yep.
The way they talk to you, what they offer to you, and the way they talk about their machines, how it's family. And there's a lot of companies out there that can say it's family. We're like a family here, but this you can really sense from top to bottom. Considering the size of this company across the globe, they've still got that kind of family closeness.
Yeah, and super focused on customer services. We met with some of the technical team today, the general manager of the service team as well. And, you know, these guys have the largest support group in the industry sector in the UK for these clients, and they're super focused on old school technical support, old school service. You pick up the phone, you speak to a real person, but all of that is combined with IoT technology to predict problems of your machines and have preventative maintenance put in place. These are combining the old ways, the old-fashioned ways of doing things with modern technology to deliver real value to clients.
You can see as well, I don't know if you can see behind us here, but they've also got this big tower automation on every single variety of machine that they offer as well.
Yeah, so whether it's an automated tool changer on their press bake machines, whether it's a carousel with a tool changer in, they've got a really cool combi machine that combines both laser cutting and punch die pressing or punch die as well. All of that is automated with ATCs, robotised, palletised systems. It's just brilliant.
You were talking about one of the press brakes as well, and the tooling changeover can often take about half an hour, but with the automation, the ATC, it goes down to 2 minutes.
Yeah, I mean
that's a massive reduction.
Think about the productivity that means. If you're in sheet-based fabrication, you're bending stock, to do that manually, to go from 30 minutes down to 2 minutes. I mean, why wouldn't you consider this level of automation a productivity boost?
Right, they're holding an open house on the 23rd to the 25th of June. Basically, we want to say, come along, we're going to be here, we're going to be learning about the technology.
We are.
But it's almost like saying a warm welcome to everyone, open their arms, you can come here, you can see the facility, based in Kidderminster, so it's quite nice and central around the UK. And come and see this place. It's
Food,
amazing.
good here?
Absolutely incredible.
Delicious.
You're going to love it. They're going to look after you and us too.
We'll see you there in June.
See you then.